Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the location tags in the camera app on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and now let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, actually on the third position we've got the location, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it. So if the switcher looks like it, then it means that it is activated. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on it. This is how it works. So actually this is what we can do in the camera, but you have to take care of two different features which are also very important in order to make the location tags work perfectly fine. So all you have to do is unroll the top bar, and the very first feature about which you have to take care of is the Wi-Fi connection. Actually, maybe not Wi-Fi, but the internet connection. So make sure that you're connected, for example, with the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, or whatever you have. And the other option is to use the location. So make sure that the location and the internet are turned on, and then you can go back to the camera, take a photo, and if you'd like to check the details, to check the location, you have to tap on more and choose the details, and there you will find the exact location of your device. So actually that's all. This is how to enable camera location tags in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.